Hey everybody, it's Bruce Profits back again with a profitable day. Now what I want to mention today is levels. You want to make sure to trade the correct levels. So the correct levels today that we're interacted with would be yesterday's midnight open, yesterday's London low, also London low, midnight open, and previous day's high. So we could have taken buys off of all of these areas. There was a clean retest on pretty much every area except for yesterday midnight open, London low. That was really more of a tap and go, but essentially using ICT concepts, you could have used a fair value gap, you could have used breakers to catch these trades. It's also regular support resistance if you use those levels. As you can see on the right hand side, my first trades were buys. Took a buy, took a loss, then took a second buy, I won. Then I came back in PM session and I took sells and won on all the sells. So good day using the levels. More of a lesson video, just to review some lessons. Maybe I'll add some markups or drawings on the side of me. But today I want to talk about levels, specifically higher probability levels to trade from. Those are going to be previous day's high, previous day's low, session highs such as London low, London high, New York low, New York high, Asian low. Those are the main session levels, as well as previous day high, previous day low, and midnight open. So this video is really about focusing on those levels and seeing how many days that those levels actually work. That is the key. We want to see how many days these levels actually work. So you want to do your own independent study to see if these levels are reacted upon. I'm going to show you a few examples where they are acted upon. Today was one example where pretty much most of those levels I named were used as a support, meaning you could have bought at those levels, put a stop loss, and saw a profit as price reached for highs. Now there was opportunity to sell as well. I did take advantage of that, and basically those sells were more so targeting like a mean reversion or reversion back to the levels. So levels are super important. I just want to put this video out to say, if you're struggling to find consistency with your trading, you may want to focus on specific levels. Of course, you want to focus on risk management, but lock in on the specific levels. All right.